Are you trying to play Gakuran in Roblox but keep getting a message saying you have been kicked by a moderator and need to join the community or the group first? Don't worry, this is completely normal, and in this quick video I will exactly show you how to fix it. Open up the Gakuran in Roblox game. On the Gakuran page you will see Gakuran written here. Just click over it, and on the right side you will see join community blue button. Just click on this join community, and if you click on these three dots, this is showing you to leave the community. If you are able to see leave community button here, it means you have joined community successfully. Now let's go ahead and see if we go through easily. Here we have to select the gender and enter the name and confirm the login. Now here we have some in-game rules. No explicit rank on the whiteboard, no trapping player in inaccessible locations, no prolonged carrying of all of other players. Okay, agree and continue. So that's it about today's quick video on how to enter and play Gakuran game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.